Today we are going to make a super easy sweet for your tea time. For this recipe, we just need chocolates and peanut butter. First we need to separate our peanut butter into two parts. Then add semi-sweet chocolate into one portion and melt it in a microwave around 30 seconds and stir. Now we can add this chocolate mixture into a tray. After that, we need to melt white chocolate with remaining peanut butter. Slowly pour white mixture on top of semi-sweet chocolate mixture and make swirls by using a butter knife or a fork. Then we need to keep this in the fridge until it sets completely. Once this peanut butter fudge is set, we can cut it into pieces and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this nice and easy recipe. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming video.